Arlo Smart is a paid subscription service that unlocks the premium AI features of your Arlo devices for the best possible protection of your property. Out of the box, your Arlo system features the basic smart experience, which allows up to 5 Arlo devices to be connected and live-streamed to your smartphone via the Arlo app. The basic smart experience also offers motion-triggered push notifications, two-way audio, and local storage functionality. Upgrading to a paid smart subscription will enhance your ability to protect your property and loved ones with 8 key additional features. Number 1. Focus on what's important and exclude what's not. One of the best features of Arlo Smart is the ability to personalise your alerts so you can customise what specific notifications you receive and reduce the less important ones. You can select from a variety of alert types, including people, packages, vehicles, and animals. Number 2. Always know who's at your property. With people detection, you'll receive an alert on your phone's lock screen. Simply hold your finger on the alert to get a better view. If a person doesn't look familiar, choose to call a friend or sound the siren. You can even decide to mute a notification temporarily if you don't want to be bothered. Number 3. Never miss a delivery. Enable package detection to notify you when a package is delivered at your door. Number 4. Detect approaching vehicles instantly. Arlo Smart can also alert you to vehicles that park in your driveway or near your home or office. Number 5. Keep an eye on pets, inside or out. Animal detection alerts you when your pets sneak outside or when an animal comes into your garden. Number 6. Record up to 30 days of footage in the cloud. For additional peace of mind, Arlo Smart stores your recorded clips for up to 30 days, so you can look back at past events and share clips with neighbours or family. Pinch and zoom in on a video up to 12 times to see clearer details in up to 4K video resolution quality. Number 7. Monitor only what matters to you. Create the activity zone that you want and only receive notifications for the activity that happens within that zone. And you won't be alerted for motion that you don't care as much about, such as when a tree branch is moving. Number 8. Tailored smart plans that work for you. If you have Arlo devices that support up to 2K video or less, you'll want to pick the Smart Premier plan. If you have Arlo devices that support up to 4K video, you'll want to pick the Smart Elite plan, so you can watch recorded videos at the highest possible resolution. Then decide how many Arlo devices you want to enable with Arlo Smart. Pick the multi-camera plan if you want to support up to 5 devices. Pick the single camera plan if you only need to support 1 device. With Arlo Smart, get added protection to save precious time that could make the difference in an emergency. Arlo. Connect and protect.